your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is TV, powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. It's Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, kumdlalo we-Nedbank Cup semi-finals. Ibidlala Park at the sold-out Loftus Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs playing Mamelodi Sundowns for the fourth time this season. Remember, the first leg, we Premiership, Sundowns won 2-1. Second leg, Sundowns won 1-0. Carling Knockout Cup, Sundowns won 4-0. But now, a Loftus Stadium, namhlanje, umdlalo uqale ngo 6 o'clock, sold out. Kaizer Chiefs winning 2-1 against last year's finalists, Mamelodi Sundowns. And I've got Obobo. Bobsit,
Shane,
how are you, my friend?
I'm right.
Are you okay?
I mean, I'm right. 100. No, mina 100. Ayikho into engangenza ngabi sharp because sometimes abantu abadala uma bakhuluma kumele ulalele. Utso ungitshele
Mr. So,
ungitshele
I cannot be a liar. Anikwazi ukubiza before a game, then after a game ndingakubiza. Mr. So and so, there's a video of you bendibukele on Friday with Mr. Nkeu, where you said Amakhosi for life. Wathi wena bazawubuzana ukuthi benze kanjani. How did this thing happen? And lo mbuzo uyabuzwa Loftus. Ngithatha nawe nje babuzana ukuthi yenzeke kanjani. I mean, this team slayana like 4 this season. We beat them 3 times. We scored about 7 goals against this team. But now we find ourselves losing against the Kaizer Chiefs. No one expected ukuthi Sundowns ingaluza with Kaizer Chiefs. We know we football around it so, but in all honesty, coming into this game, who expected the Sundowns ukuthi ingaluza against the Kaizer Chiefs? But when Mr. So, ingathi eMzansi Africa, you were the only person who believed ukuthi le result ingenzeka.
Shane, you know, ngichaza amagama kabo ukuthi yazi umuntu omdala makakhuluma. It's very important ukuthi abantu bamamele.
utheni.
Ngithe mina, yabona namhlanje, noma kuDarko Blue Rain Storm, iChiefs yawina namhlanje. Angeke kufike i20 zakaMay kuphele 10 years ingafika ka finalini. Hayi lokho kunye bobasikeke lokho kunye. Sikhulume nje lokho ukuthi iChiefs efinalini.
And yazi abantu tasibukele igame apha abazivi into esizithethayo and dikholwa into esizithethayo pha sihlale apha singaphumi ngaphandle. But ikhona into endifuna uyikhupha namhlanje. At half time you said if we not scoring ngendlela right sizoba robber labo. You said it, Mr. So, and it happened. Why did you believe ukuthi nizoba robber, Mr. So?
When Shane, let me be honest. You know, you need to find a way of beating uGoliath. Goliath ungakanani. Mangabe mele uthole amanzi, uthela amanzi athi makanyana njalo thela lapha sherele or umthele ngenhlabathi bese yamphuthuma masishana. You try everything because uyambona lo muntu ukuthi mongathi uyaya kwenje pound to pound azokufinish.
Shane, ithi something. Uyazi lokudla ebekumele sikudle lapha. Asizange sikudle lokudla ngenxa kaTso. Ngiyaqala ukubona uTso wajabuleka le ndlela.
He's the only person who believed ukuthi Chiefs might win. Now in all honesty, I know ukuthi I don't support any of the two teams, but I didn't believe ukuthi Sundowns will lose. In my mind, I had Sundowns playing against Pirates 5 times this season. They've already played 2 times with league. And I was thinking, okay, mhlawumbe bazodlala kwi-Nedbank, baphinde badlale kwi-final CAF Champions League, that is 5 times. But ibhola isibonisile namhlanje ukuthi we need to respect it and also know ukuthi this is football and anything can happen. But mhlawumbe before we talk about anything else, madukubulisa and then ungichazele ukuthi ubone kanjani umdlalo namhlanje.
Shane, into engayisho, I'm not here ukukhuluma ngama decision wabo ref. Ngifuna ukukhuluma the way game idlala ngakhona because at the end of the day sizokhohlwa ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Siloko sikhuluma ngama decision abo ref. Congratulations to Coach Nabi. Ukuthatha iChiefs abeke kuma finals. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi wenza umsebenzi omuhle uCoach Nabi ne technical team yakhe. Even the players, I think they played very well. Shane, ngibone the way iqale ngakhona. Ngibone Sundowns ifuna ukudominate le midfield. Ifike ngama midfield ungathi uyabheka singabiza ukuthi bangama defensive midfielder because ungabheka kuno Obas, kuno Alende, kuno Mkwena. Bonke labadlala balapha mawungabheka I creativity ayisingaleyo ndlela mhlambe ucabanga ukuthi njani because uyambona uDrop umdlalo ofana noAdams. Emuva ngibona enze kahle kakhulu mina le line up bengi expectile le ngibona lapha emuva yaka Sores noKokane nomdawo kanye nomdlalo ofana noLunga. Unfortunately uthole injury. I think injury ngeke mhlambe imlimaze umdlalo ofana noLunga. So but for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-Sundowns i-Chiefs iqale kahle first 10 minutes beyibonakala i-Chiefs ukuthi ifuna ukudlala beyibonisa i-Chiefs ukuthi ifuna ukudlala bebazama ukuthi bafuna ukuyidominate leya midfield uma ungabheka bebavela abadlali abafana nabocele nabo bomati bake bavela ngalesa sikhathi but after lapho Sundowns yayithatha igame yayicontrol after that 10 minutes ukudlala kwe-Sundowns kulidela like tennis igcine sibona i-Chiefs igcine yenza lawa ama-free kick because bese ine pressure uma ungabheka especially kuleya defense yabo Msimango uma ungabheka nabo Solomon because i-Chiefs into beyenza bengakhuphuki ngo-cross as usual you know ukuthi cross akekho good offensive bebasebenzisa umdlalo ofana no Solomon and bazama ukuthi bareste leya defense ngabadlali abawu3 kuleya defense then Shane into engayisho nje engibonile ukuthi i-Chiefs bezama ukwenza kahle ukuabsorba leya pressure kuningi okwenzekile kuma moment abadlali abafana nabo abo Marta angeke sikubone lokho because mhlawumbe silinde la kwenzeka khona like abo goalkeeper abafana nabo Uvuma I think he made a crucial save lapha uma ungabheka ku Reynas I thought Reynas uzothatha le ball alethe la as a cutback la khona kunomdlalo ofana no Lucas but naye la bekalibone khona ngiyacabanga bekenza umsebenzi omuhle unfortunately Uvuma wenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu lapha Shane so njengoba ngisho ngithi i-Chiefs ngibonile Shane inga dominate kudala ku-ball position i-Sundowns izidlalela but at the end of the day ama results ukuthi ubani manje othole lawo ama results because siyabona uDove umdlali oloko abhize enza amaphutha lapha ma defender wala maqembu ngabheka bawenzele ama mistake uDove bekunamabhola amanye mongabheka naye usinikezile ibhola la khona linikeza ushasha thulinikeza umdlalo ofana no I think uReynas la ngafiki yile mistake yenze uSores ngapha uya understand ama mistake afana nalawo at the end of the day bazokuphanisha thina sihlulekile ukusebenzisa uma basinikeza lona but bheka umdlalo ofana noDuba angeke ngithi mhlawumbe uzipositione ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi kanjani but it's a manna from heaven bamane bamnikeza la bhola but what a finisher Shane umbonile le speed asuke ngaso uDuba uyamazi uDuba umdlalo lazi ipala so give credit kumdlalo ofana noDuba I think udlale kahle kakhulu today good finisher kulela bhola Shane so ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-Chiefs ithole lelo chance lelo yalisebenzisa because both teams abazange baba nama chances abazange ba create ama chances amaningi kakhulu uma ungabheka uSirino kunebhola litholile la befuna ukushaya William khona because ubonile ukuthi William ngathi uphumile nalela bhola la kaLilepo uyawa count ama chances abawatholile lama team azange vele sibe ne creativity kuyo yonke le game both teams uyangithola so kusho kona ukuthi bonke abantu too tactical ya game Shane uma ungabheka bezama ukuthi asifuni ukulahla iside wonke umuntu akafuni ukulahla iside you understand so give credit ku coach Nabe ngibona nama sapa wenzile amsebenzele kakhulu but thina leya sap Shane ngisasho namanje ngibona uma bayenza leya sap ukuthi right I thought isap izoba right ukukhipa umdlalo ofana no Obas ulethe umdlalo ofana no Sales no Adams ukhipa Reynas ne but the problem ukuthi lo yamdlalo umkhiphile ofana no umdlalo ofana nobani no Obas yilo mdlalo uvama ukumletha uma ngabe we are leading ukuthi ufuna ukwenzeni amanage le game you understand so now because of uqale ngaye and uyabona ukuthi akayenzi lento odinga ukuthi mhlawumbe se expect ukuthi uzoyenza akademand akalifuni kule defense umkwena umuntu esimbonayo ukuthi uyavela always uyangithola akekho comfortable umdlalo ofana no Obas especially ukudlala under pressure uyambona ukuthi akekho right so ngiyacabanga ukuthi leya sub ucoach beyacanga ukuthi izomsebenzela going forward ukuthi angavumi team i-Chiefs ukuthi ibuye kuye but unfortunately ucoach Nabe naye waletha abadlali mhlawumbe ofana nabo Dupreez ukuthi ufuna leso speed ku Kaizer Chiefs
le game namhlanje inkhumbuze a bit finally last season where you saw Sundowns having more ball position dictating the game ngendlela abafuna udlala ngayo but ended up losing the game and akhona it goes where you don't know ukuthi ivele njani livele nje goal so it's one of as the games where you feel ukuthi it's a game we shouldn't have lost but we lost it and amagoal angena nge-90 minutes kwi-Nedbank Cup I remember 2022 finals Khukhune Pirates Marumo Gallants Sundowns Royal Bafokeng Thapelo Morena scoring naye kusheke nje seconds before umdlalo uphele last season eMbombela also namhlanje we saw in these big games ukuthi it seems like you need to be careful by sitting 90th minute and look out ukuthi kungenzeka anything
lack of concentration kuma defense uma ungabheka Shane, lack of concentration and too casually, especially kule team efana neMamelodi Sundowns. Njengoba ubona uSores adlala lela ball, beka nawo ama option ukuthi angamnikeza uWilliam kulela ball. Na even if bekamnikezile emidlalo ofana nomkwena lela ball, but akazange aligcwalise. You understand? Uvele nje walishaya kancane. So ngizama ukusho ukuthi lack of concentration izokunikeza inkinga ebholeni sometimes, because the more isikhathi siyasiphela Shane, yila wena ucabanga ukuthi game sesiphelile kanti yila abanye abantu bazama ukuthi bakhuphulele la gear. You understand? So but angeke ngivale umlomo ngokumbongisa ucoach Nabi ukuthatha le team efana neChiefs ayibe kuma finals. Ngiyacabanga siyobona ifinal emnandi kakhulu Shane, between the Pirates ne Kaizer Chiefs. Sorry, between Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, Moses Mapile.
Mr. Gay is back here again. He's here to grab my mic, and this time he's not getting it. I'm just going to put it in his mouth. What do you want to say, Mr. Gay?
One of the first interviews I've ever done with Ubobo. Do you remember what you said about Unabi?
When?
At the beginning of the season, we were predicting what will each team achieve. Sakuluma, top 1, top 2, top 3, obviously Sundowns, Pirates, other people, so Pirates, Sundowns, top 3. There was no Chiefs there. But one thing in particular that you said, Uguti, nanoma kwenzakala ini, Unabi uzoyithola trophy for the Chiefs. So you look like a genius now. Although he's got a very difficult job because Pirates are very good. They are better than Chiefs.
Yeah.
But he's 1 foot in that final. You said they were going to win the trophy at the end of the season.
Yeah, and lokho kuzomenza ukuthi umsebenzi wakhe ube safe. I'm not saying mhlawumbe noma ngayithathe le trophy, but ukuthatha iChiefs ube kuma finals ngiyacabanga umsebenzi wakhe usafe ucoach ofana noNabi wena Shane, because into ezomenza ukuthi abe safe na kumsebenzi wakhe yiyo lento ukuthi at least akacede le draft yabo so yokuthi maybe kumele bahlanganise 10 years without a trophy. So ngiyabonga Shane.
Thank you so much, Bobo. Thank you so much. Loftus Stadium is Kaizer Chiefs 2, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Chiefs are through to the finals of the Nedbank Cup for Lonyaka 2024-2025 season. They will be facing Orlando Pirates at Durban's Moses Mabhida Stadium. But it seems like only one will be going there, and another one will be here in studio, watching on TV.
Ngivalela ngaphandle manje. Ay ngani wami mina bengithu right.
Madam Mhlaba, I thought you were not going.
No, ngiyabonga Shane. Ay.
Askis. I thought maybe they revoked your
Ngifuna
visa.
ukuyofakaza, ngifuna ukuyobona kahle, ngifuna ukuzwa, ngifuna ukuyobona kahle.
Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan bafowethu igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Itiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, ama coach for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.